Coffee tayo. Ayan. Turkish coffee. Ayan. Magkakape kami ni ate ng Turkish coffee.
Ayan ha. Bit-bit na lang dagay. Init na na. Di mo ba? Agoy bak.
Init ba? Ako, iniinom yan pa konti-konti.
Oh, maging madam kami ngayong araw to, madam. Kami ang mag-uutos sa sarili namin.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Coffee!
This is Turkish coffee from Starbucks.
Ah, yummy. Oh.
Wow, I forget my name. What is my name?
Yummy.
This is our lives every Friday. We take a rest tonight. We go out sometimes and